Everyone. Welcome to week 7. 2 weeks left. Way to go. Um, so for week 7, we're continuing our conversation on Google Classroom and also continuing our book club project-based learning assignment. So our first task for week 7 is remote learning tips. Let me go to Blackboard. So in 2020, teachers all over all of a sudden found they had to teach online, right? And we realized that teaching online is very different than teaching in. And so one of the things I want you to do is just learn about how do you teach remotely. I know you are all students of online learning as college students, but how is that different when we're talking about elementary, junior high, and high school students? And so I want you just to review these 3 resources, and then on the Slack channel that I've invited you to called #remote_learning, post 5 tips that you've learned from those articles. The second task is continuing to read the book, update your slides, and meet with your group. So you're going to read chapters 7 and 8, and the purpose of this book is about project-based learning, and it explains to you how to create a project-based learning assignment. And those questions at the end of each chapter are helping you to develop a project-based learning assignment. In the full 16-week version of this course, we go through and create the whole assignment and make a Google slide and the whole thing. But we don't really have time to do all the parts in the 8-week course. So you're going to read the chapters, respond to the questions on slide 6, and then meet with your group and share and discuss. Here are the directions for the book club and project-based learning assignment. That's that Google slide deck. The third task is to create a Google Classroom. And I have a 20-minute recording of one of my synchronous online classes where I show what a Google Classroom looks like, explain different tips and ways to use it. I show you how to make a Google Classroom. And so I want you to watch that lecture. It's 20 minutes and really will make a big difference for you. And then you're going to create a Google Classroom. Now, when you go to create, there's a possibility that you do not have that access. The university tends to give different people different access for reasons I don't understand. So if something happens and you don't have that create button, what you're going to do is just send me an email, and then I will really quickly make you a Google Classroom, add you as a teacher, and then you can build. So here's the lecture on Google Classroom, and then here are the steps. So you'll go to classroom.google.com, sign in as a teacher. Then you'll go to create class. If you don't have this button, you just have join class, that's when you're going to email me and I will create a class for you, add you as a teacher. You're going to add these 5 components: an introduction or hook to a unit, and a lesson video, just like you did with your screencast recording already, an activity, an assessment, which could be a quiz, it could be a written response, it could be a painting, whatever you want it to be. And then some extension activity that will bring it all together. Then you're going to invite me as a teacher. Please do not submit a link to your Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a closed network, so only people that are invited as teachers and students can view it. All right, that's it for week 7. Hope everyone stays safe and warm out there. It suddenly became winter, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.